Normal versus English slangs. Normal English slangs. I don't have money. I am brassic. I fell asleep. I dozed off. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. I will call you later. I will give you a bill. You make me laugh. You crack me up. Give it a try. Give it a shot. Normal English slangs. I am so sad. I feel blue. Hurry up. Shake a leg. It's raining outside. It's pouring outside. I am very happy. I am over the moon. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. Drink some water. Keep yourself hydrated. It's a hard job. It's a daunting task. I was slightly drunk. I was a little tipsy.